Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on mastering lead generation. Firstly, we will look about mastering lead generation, then what's included, also about fast action bonuses that comes with this package, and the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you. Introducing Mastering Lead Generation: How to generate targeted, qualified leads for your business using smart, cost-effective strategies. What's included? Video number 1, Lead Generation Mastery Overview. See the big picture in what list building is all about before you dive in. Video number 2, How to create your bribe offer. Learn to come up with highly enticing free offers to get more visitors to sign up to your list. Video number 3, How to create a high-converting landing page. Techniques to optimize your landing page to convert more of your visitors to become subscribers. Video number 4, How to write your follow-up emails. Learn to write responsive emails to keep your readers engaged and look forward to your emails. Video number 5, Buying email solo ads. Discover one of the most effective methods of generating traffic to build your list. Video number 6, Generating leads from Facebook. Get highly targeted traffic from the biggest social media network at a very low cost. Video number 7, Ad swaps. Generate more leads through strategic partnerships with other marketers in your niche. Video number 8, Using Google AdWords to generate leads. Direct highly responsive leads who are looking for solutions on Google and bring them to your landing page. Video number 9, 100% commission offers. The insider secrets on why you should give out %100 commission offers to make massive profits. Video number 10, Adding your offer to other people's thank you page. Leveraging on your joint venture partners to build your list without much effort. Video number 11, Joining giveaway events. Supercharge your list building efforts by using the power of giveaway events. Video number 12, Search engine optimization. A free method on how to rank on search engines and get massive traffic to your page. Checklist and mind map and bonus action guide and ready-made squeeze page included. You're probably asking, how much is this entire training course? But what you should ask yourself is, how much it would cost you if you don't start to master lead generation for your online business? The basic costs to start an online business are, you will need a domain name, web hosting, and autoresponder and your traffic budget for starters. That's a total cost of around $140. Sure, it's relatively cheap, but the biggest mistake you can do is to do things blindly and set up everything from scratch without a game plan. It costs money to set up your site, web hosting and autoresponder, but if you don't know what you're doing, you won't get any results whether you spend $140 or $14,000 even. There's no point in wasting your time and effort in doing things by trial and error. I've spent a lot of time, money and effort to learn everything from scratch. It took a lot of sleepless nights and hard work to figure this whole list building thing. I don't want you to go through the same thing. Years of experience from my product launches and email marketing has gone into creating the lead generation mastery, and you're getting it only at a fraction. And much more. Whatever you do, don't wait to this powerful guide. The price is going up, and if you come back later, you could find yourself paying a lot more for this. There's really no reason to wait, because I'm about to make this an even better deal for you. Fast action bonus number 1, How to optimize your lead generation. Learn to split test your sales funnel to get the best bang for your buck. Increase your conversions and generate massive profits just by tweaking your funnel with the same amount of traffic. When you take action today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 2, How to monetize your mailing list. Discover different ways of monetizing your email list, and it's the closest thing you will get to a push-button system. Fast action bonus number 3. How to write profit-pulling emails. Craft highly engaging emails that will make your readers loyal followers and responsive to your offers. The more responsive they are, the more profits you make. 100% money back guarantee. I don't want anything to hold you back from getting access to this course. After all, you could become a new internet sensation with what you discover inside. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email, and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. The only way you lose is if you miss out on this special offer right now. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review For You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.